Hello everyone. Today you will learn how to write Python code to count number of words in a text file. Before we go into coding, you should know the use of split function. Let us see the definition and usage. The split method splits a string into a list. You can specify the separator. Default separator is any white space. So any space is the separator. And when max split is specified, that is we are using the split function on the any string, then the list will contain the specified number of elements plus 1. So that means if we are using split function on any string, the number of spaces is counted plus 1. So suppose there is a sentence called Jai Hind Bharat. So there is space in between three words. So there are only two spaces between the sentence, and 2 plus 1. So when we count Jai Hind Bharat, so we get three words. So three output is there. So let us see how to write code in Python. So before we write the code, let us make a text file in our notepad. So I will write some word. So let me save this. I'm saving this as the test count file name. So my file is in documents. So I'll copy this. For my ease, I will put directly into my C drive so that it's easy to code while giving the location. Continue. So I moved my file into my C drive directly. If you have D drive, you can keep your file or save your file in your D drive directly. And if you like to save the long location, you can go to the existing document folder properties and then find out the location. So this is just to make your code easy so that you are able to write the path in shorter form. Now we have already made it. The test count is the file name. You have to remember this, and same name should be given in the code when you are writing the code for counting the total number of words in a file. Now open Python. Open a new file and start writing the code. So first we'll begin with fin, that is file in input mode object, and this name you can keep anything, f1, f2, anything. I'm keeping fin to represent that file is opening in input mode. So we will open it using open off double quotes will give the location. So my location is C drive directly, so I'll write C colon double backslash, and my file name was test count, right? Confirm it so that you are able to test count. Yes, so we will simply write this. Dot txt, close the double quotes, comma, give R in single quote because this is your read mode. You are opening the file in read mode. So this is the way you open a file in read mode, existing file. Now, initialize a string variable so that your file content is copied as string in this str. So you can simply write fin dot read of. So whole content of your file is into str now. So now you have to work in str to count the number of words. So as I just told you in the beginning, the use of split function. Split function will help us to count number of spaces in the given string. Given string means the text file content, so it will be taken whole as a string. And now I will initialize a variable, say L, which is equal to, we will take str dot split off. Very simple code is there. Now this will specify the number of spaces. Now we'll keep a counter variable, count words is equal to 0, so that we can keep count of the words until we count the number of spaces and find out the total value. Then we'll give initialize a for loop. For I in L, write count underscore words. You can keep a small variable also. I am just keeping like this so that you are able to make out. Count words plus 1. And then you can print count words. Spelling and everything should be same, otherwise it will show error. It was count words, so here also one underscore should be there. Okay, let's save it. And after for, you should give colon. I hope it's correct now. We'll save this file as some test count word, something like that. So we'll try to run the code. Missing parenthesis. Yes, we have to actually write in parenthesis, otherwise it will not give you the answer. So such small silly errors will come up. You have to rectify and proceed. So here we got some 8 words. Let us open our file and see how many words did we give in the notepad. Test count, yes. This is our test count file. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we give 8 words, therefore we are getting the output as 8. I hope you understood the program. Again, you can watch this code, the demonstration of this code, to understand it in a better way. Try to execute the program on your own after you learn the split function. Thank you, children.